Can you hide or show your Yelp reviews? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are wanting to hide a review you have posted on Yelp or make it visible again later, well, let me walk you through what's actually possible inside the app. So with that, here forefront, here is the truth. Yelp doesn't let you to hide your individual reports or reviews from the public. So here once a review is posted, it's a part of your public profile and visible to everyone unless you delete it. You can, however, view all your reviews under your profile and you can just tap on your profile icon, and from there you can simply scroll down to the review, and if you want to remove one, you'll have to delete it manually. And here to delete your review, you can just tap on the three dot next to it and simply select remove review, and Yelp will ask for confirmation, and that's it. After that, it will be gone from your public profile. And Yelp doesn't offer a private or a draft mode, so once published, reviews are public until you delete them. And that's how it works. No hide button, but full control over editing or deleting your own content. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.